A protest turned violent in Kolkata. This was a clash between teachers and police personnel. The Bengal teachers are protesting and it's escalated now. The scuffle was also reported. Let's go across to the visuals coming up on your screen. Teachers were protesting outside the education department. They held a sit-in protest demanding jobs. Employment issues are concerning. Now remember, all of this is in the backdrop of especially the court ruling that led to the allegations, the charges of how there was a cash for job scam in the for the tourists, for the teachers, I correct myself, and how there has been a full-on employment issue. But that has led to now concerns among those who are qualified to become teachers but are not getting jobs. Scuffle then was reported after cops tried to remove the protesters, and you can see the number of protesters is also very high.
इस वर्डिक्ट में क्या है? इस वर्डिक्ट में खुद सीजीआई ने कह रहा है एक तरफ से जो लोग टेंटेड टीचर्स है वो लोग अपना सैलरी वापस करेंगे और अनटेंटेड टीचर है जो उनमें से जो पहले सर्विस करते थे वो अपने सर्विस में वापस चले जाएंगे और जो अनटेंटेड टीचर्स है जिसको टेंटेड नहीं कह पा रहे हैं वो कह रहे हैं जो अनटेंटेड टीचर्स है वो अपने फिर से एग्जाम दें। ये कैसा पॉसिबल है? हम लोग लास्ट एग्जाम दिए थे 2016 में, लगभग 10 साल हो गया। 10 साल के बाद फिर से हम एग्जाम देंगे? ये कोई मजाक है क्या?
In the moment, there can happen something that does not hamper the police, that does not injure the authorities. But yes, we were just surround the office and they were not able to come out from the office. That's true. But not we are doing this because the illegalities, whatever happened, that we were not just we have been thrown away, that we have not done anything. And why we are suffered for this? Whatever happened, whatever the things done, the government has done, the authorities have done.
Huge tension has been erupted during the protest of untainted teachers in Kolkata after police had to lathi charge on the protesting teachers during that sit-in dharna in front of Vikas Bhavan in Salt Lake. Right now I'm present in front of Education Department headquarters in Kolkata, which is Vikas Bhavan, and all the untainted teachers who lost their jobs after the Supreme Court verdict. Supreme Court passed an order directed that all the tainted and untainted teachers will lose their job, and almost 26,000 teachers lost their jobs after this verdict. And since then the movement is going on in Kolkata, and the untainted teachers started agitation in front of Vikas Bhavan, and the allegation is the goons, the huge number of goons from the TMC were brought over here to remove them from this from the road. The teachers are claiming that a few of them have been injured after police lathi charge on them, and police is also claiming that stones are pelted on police by the agitating teachers. The government office have been vandalized. The main door have been vandalized by the teachers. That is also claims coming from the police authority. But the teachers have denied every allegation raised by the police, and they are claiming the teacher will be continuing the peaceful protest over here until they are getting a solution. They are seeking, they are demanding the chief minister should come over here and assure them. But until they will continue the dharna until they are getting any permanent solution from the government of West Bengal. With camera person Tapas Beri, this is Rajesh Shah for India Today, Kolkata.